Hello, my name is Levi.
Ireland, Will, Amelia.
Today is Friday, January 9, 2026, and this is what's happening at Brooklyn STEM Academy.
From the office, the PTO family dance is next Thursday, the 15th, from 5:30 to 6 p.m. Good luck to our robotics team at their qualifying competition this Saturday at University Elementary School. Don't forget to buy our yearbooks by January 31st. You can buy online using the link in our newsletter or with a paper order form that can be found at the front office.
Pre-K was excited to be back at school. They did some winter theme activities. Pre-K
Kindergarten spent their first week back doing some winter fun activities. They learned that mittens don't actually keep your hands warm. It's your own hands' heat, and the mitten just traps the heat inside.
First grade started their reading unit, American Independence. They have learned about Native Americans, the 13 colonies, and the Boston Tea Party.
Second grade spent their first week back from winter break learning about polar bears. Did you know that a polar bear paw print is bigger than one dinner plate? That's one big paw print.
The third graders started their environmental changes PLTW unit. They started researching about animals that lived in our area. They wanted to know what these animals needed to survive. What does a daddy longlegs need to survive? How about a fox or a coyote?
Miss Luck's class adopted cow Betty is officially 3 months old. She is 42 inches tall and weighs 330 pounds. That's a big cow.
In library this week, the kindergarten used their silent reading time to explore new books. This will prepare them as they discover the world of reading.
In computer science, we are typing our 2026 New Year writing assignment. We discussed the goals we want to achieve in the new year and how we plan to accomplish them. What are your goals for the new year?
In STEM, we are making the Habitat for Humanity table centerpieces for their banquet. We are using toothpicks and Play-Doh, and well as other building materials to recreate the floor plans.
The STEAM ambassadors worked on signs to encourage all our friends to do their best on the test as we get closer to NWEA and IREAP.
After school activities, this Saturday is the first robotics competition for the robotics team. They are excited to see what the robot can do in the competition. Good luck!
From the PTO, come shake off the cold with us next Thursday at 5:30 for our free student dance. There will be tattoos, bracelets, dancing, and food. You can also pay $1 to tattoo your teacher. We can't wait to see you there.
Here is a message from the office with the winners of the semester's Gotcha ticket drawing.
All right, you're going to draw for prize number 1 for the second 9 weeks. This is a reasoning laser maze. Okay, our winner comes from Ms. Strive. It's Kittrell Clark.
Woohoo!
Congratulations, Kittrell.
Okay, prize number 2 is the snow painting kit. Uh-oh, okay, pause. They all came. All right, this is Mrs. Underhill's class, and it goes to Eloise Monday.
Woo!
Congratulations! Yay!
All right, we're on to prize number 3. inflatable spaceport. Ooh, it's from Miss Riddle, Carter Fisher.
Woohoo! All right, we're ready for prize number 4, the magnetic building blocks. All right, comes from Miss Rollins' room, and it is Josiah Fink. Congratulations.
Prize number 6, the spaceship sled. Willow Cram. From Miss Claypole.
Woo!
Willow Cram. Woohoo!
Okay. Prize number 5 is family game night. Let's see if you do we get next time. I can't unlock it. They can't win this.
Win that. That's an adult.
Mullen Neff.
Nolan Neff. Who's the teacher?
Neff.
No.
Miss Goldman.
Miss Goldman. Yay!
Now do it.
Joke of the week. Who is Frosty's favorite ant?
I don't know. Who is Frosty's favorite ant?
Antarctica.
Thank you for watching what's happening at Brooklyn STEM Academy. And see you next week. Bye.